Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a great day of investing. Great to have you guys back on the channel. And as I do with all of my videos, I want to first start off by saying thank you to all the viewers and all the subscribers on the channel. Immensely appreciate the support. For today's video, I'd like to take a look at the portfolio. Very strong performance today, but also detail a very large trade with Dogecoin, a $100,000 trade I made recently with a large pullback in cryptocurrency. So I definitely want to talk about those two things today, as well as some of the dangers of trading cryptocurrency on Robinhood. I made a big mistake, and that mistake cost me $10,000 plus on potential profit. So let's go ahead and dive into the video here. First, let's take a look at the portfolio. As you can see up on screen, very strong performance today. The portfolio now over $792,000, 31,800, 4.18% during active hours trading, 3,600 in after hours trading, 0.46% of the overall portfolio. So a very strong day of trading throughout the day. If we take a look at the last 1 week of trading, you guys will know on my last video, the portfolio pulled back quite considerably, down to 724,229. But fortunately, very strong performance today, including Tesla, a stock I had to get into last week, a $300,000 trade last week with Tesla. These are the options that are pending for Friday. A few calls as well as a few Tesla puts on the bottom of the screen. So BA Boeing call, CRSP CRISPR, Ford, FHOOD Robinhood, LUV Southwest Airlines, and then some Tesla puts and calls on the bottom. These are some Tesla calls here. If you guys remember from last week, I bought at 1,050 from a put contract, 3 contracts. So I went ahead and sold those off. At the bottom of the screen, you can see I sold these off this week for $3,465. Very strong performance. If we take a look at Tesla, you can see now it's above $1,050. Currently trading $1,056.89. Very large pullback last week, but fortunately this is going in my favor at this point. And I'm more than happy to sell these off at $1,050, even though it's trading higher than that, just because this is all borrowed capital, $317,000 of borrowed capital. So definitely want to get that out of the portfolio, and I'll make money on this trade if it doesn't get above $1,061.55. But again, I made money on the initial put sell last week. I've already made money on the call sell, so if I sell off at the same price, I still make the money. Yes, I do lose a little bit of potential return since it is trending above my strike price of $1,050. But that's okay. I'd like to get that out of the portfolio by the end of the year. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cryptocurrency. I still have a few coins in the Robinhood portfolio here with Litecoin, LTC. If we scroll down here, you can see my holdings. I currently have 50 coins, average cost $48.18. And this is one of the better performing assets in the portfolio, up $237.29, $5,715 in the green. And if you guys remember from some of my prior videos, I've been mining cryptocurrency since 2014, predominantly with Dogecoin and Litecoin, some of the altcoins, script coins, with some ant miners. Definitely have been very, very profitable of recent. But you can see here a very large pullback in the price of Litecoin, negative 22.57%, and that is also true for Dogecoin. So this week I tried to do a little bit of a trade, very large trade, a $100,000 trade with Dogecoin. Over the past 1 week of trading, you can see this is also down quite a bit, almost 18% currently. So what I tried to do is buy at the dip here. I tried to buy when it's down around 0.16. Unfortunately, and this is what I want to emphasize in this video, I put a market order in. So even though the portfolio was showing somewhere between 0.162 and 0.16, 0.163, I actually bought for considerably higher than that because I put a market order in instead of a limit order. If you put a market order in, it buys whatever the price is at, and that doesn't always correlate to what the price is up on top. So this price here isn't always going to be what you buy it for if you put a market order in. I should put a limit order in, which we'll detail on the bottom of the screen here. As you can see, the big market buy here, 100,139, and then sold off a couple days later for 103,226. So I made about $3,000 or so on that trade. But if we take a look at the market buy, again, the stock was trading around 0.16, but I bought it for 0.179, 0.178894, which if you translate it into the number of shares I had, 559,000 plus, That's about a $10,000 difference or so. So lost quite a bit of money doing that. And it's very interesting that you see this little button here, that green question mark. If you open that up, Robinhood even acknowledges that you should not be doing any sort of market buys here. Market buy orders execute at the best available price, up to 1% higher than the price quoted on the trade screen, which I just talked about. To ensure your orders execute at a specific price, always set a limit price. If we click learn more, that kind of goes into some of these different types of orders for new investors on the channel here. Market orders, limit orders. So I made a very big mistake, a huge mistake, by putting a market order in instead of a limit order. So I bought it for well above that 1% that was quoted here. That's saying 1%, but you know, it was 0.16. I bought it for 0.178894. That's considerably higher. But overall, again, made a very nice trade here, $3,000 trade. That could have been a $10,000 plus trade if I would have put in the correct order. So you got to be very careful when you're using Robinhood Crypto. Never use market orders. Always use limit orders for both buying the coins as well as selling off the coins. Always use always use limit orders. Do not use market orders when you're using cryptocurrency on Robinhood. So just wanted to quickly go through those trades. Again, the $100,000 trade with Dogecoin, as well as the very strong performance of the overall portfolio. Again, getting above 790,000, currently 794,290. So again, just wanted to talk about those two things. Let me know if you guys are doing any trading with Robinhood Crypto. I've noticed the orders are very delayed. Even when I put in limit orders, even when I put in market orders, the market order should trade instantaneously, but it often waits for quite some time, and the price that I buy it for is always very different than the price that's showing on the screen. And even for some of my limit orders, if I put a limit order in and the price gets above that particular price, it could wait for 5, 10, 15 minutes before that price executes, and it always executes exactly at my limit order price, even though the price on screen can be well above that, 5, 10% above the current price of my limit order. So kind of shady. Not quite sure if I trust the trading on Robinhood. Again, I just did a very large trade, a $100,000 plus trade on Robinhood Crypto. So going to continue to do some experimenting with Robinhood Crypto, but please let me know in the comment threads down below what your experience has been so far with Robinhood. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the video series here on the YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have a particular video idea you want seen posted, let me know in the comment threads down below, and I'll do my best to get out a video for you guys. I do have a spreadsheet with a number of great video topics. Just haven't got to those yet, but I'm planning to do those by the end of the year. So again, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.